Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix or can't allow access to camera, microphone, photos, etc. on iPhone. So let's say you're trying to upload a photo or a video on TikTok and it says not access to camera and microphone or photos. Alright, then basically you need to go to your phone setting in order to fix it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. So there's a certain things which you need to do in order for the app to use your phone's accessory, because iPhone has a really tight security. So iPhone doesn't want any random app to be using your gallery to steal your information, and your microphone to steal your conversation, and your camera to take pictures of you privately. So only like those apps which you allow are going to be able to use it. So let's say you have not yet allowed TikTok to use your camera, microphone, photos, then iPhone is not gonna allow it to. So you need to go through setting in order to do that. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, as I said, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Let's move on. First step, just close your TikTok and go on your phone setting. And on your phone setting, scroll a bit down until you see TikTok. Alright, once you see your app TikTok over here, what you want to do is click on TikTok, and over here where it says microphone, make sure it's turned on. Where it says camera, make sure it's turned on. Where it says photo, make sure where it says all photo. Alright, once you do that, now your TikTok is going to be given to your camera, your microphone, and other stuff. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can allow access to your camera, microphone, and TikTok. Now I can just go on TikTok, click on the plus icon at the bottom, and as you guys can see, the camera has access, which means the microphone can be used as well. I can click on upload, and as you guys can see, all the videos and photos have access. So yeah, that means I can upload anything I want from my gallery. So that's how we guys can have access to camera, microphone, photos. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel once a step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.